Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use Railcard on Trainline. So let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm on Trainline here. So let me book for a ticket. So I'll just use this. So I've selected my destination, date, time, all those information here. So just put that in. And then here, when you get to you'll see an add rail card option here. So if you want to use your rail card, just click on it. So here, click on add rail cards and you will see an option here says add rail card. So simply click on it. And then what you're going to do now here, simply select the rail card that you actually have. So whatever card that you have, so you can just choose that up, that whatever that you have. So for example, I have this one here, so I'll just choose that. And then what you're going to do, you're going to hit on done. So just keep in done, make sure that you actually have a valid rail card that you can show whenever during your journey. So you need to have a proof that you have these cards. So make sure you have a valid one with you, especially when while you're traveling. So once you select that and then hit on get tickets, and then now all you have to do is simply just do all your basic booking like how you normally do. So simply select the ticket that you wish to, then go to click on continue, and then just do the your payment, your delivery methods, payment methods, and then just complete the checkout. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.